What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. Before we get into the good news, the bad news, and everything else, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys, because you never know which update is going to come at the right time. And as usual, guys, everything we do share here is only for entertainment and education purposes. It is not financial advice, but you're your own adult. You do whatever you want to do, but just make sure you do your due diligence, guys. Be safe out there in these crazy crypto spaces, but there are profits to be made. So let's just get right into it. So here we are, Shiba Inu, guys, looking at coin market cap. We're up 27% on the 24-hour volume, which is good. A little bit of red on the rest, but nothing to be worried about. Let's check the news. So as you can see what it says here, it's Shiba Inu price set for 22 move as 9 businesses join Shiba burn pledge. So as promised, they were going to ramp up this burning, and that's exactly what's been happening already. And I think that's what's saving Shiba from going to, correcting even lower, is that they're doing the right things, not just with the project, with the actual, social media accounts, but even with the stuff behind the scenes, like burning and arranging all the things that need to be arranged to get this whole thing going. They're doing the right things. Ethereum Well, with 38 trillion Shiba buys 1.3 million Matic tokens. What the hell is Matic? All right, that's something I might have to go look up. But that was 12 hours ago. 14.6 million sheep burned in the last 24 hours. More sheep to be destroyed today. So they're burning every single day. This is absolutely amazing. Shiba Inu to the moon. Truck spotted in several countries. Will it start another upsurge in values? Let's go, guys. Nothing but good news. The price might not be too exciting, but as far as where we are, but good news, right? We're gonna take a look at a couple other things. Of course, let's take a look at the holders. Look at that. We are smooth, steady increase. Way over the 1 million mark. Now we're at 1.1 million right now holders, and growing every single day. We literally grew over in the last 24 hours, about 3,000 to 4,000 holders, which has been about the average, 2,000 to 4,000 holders a day. At one point, we were doing 10,000 holders a day. That's when the hype was really there, big time, right before the holidays. And I feel like we're going to get right back to that same momentum here, and we're going to see another gigantic moonshot. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. So right now, we look at the 4-hour candles, we are basically on a support level where I can definitely see price, bouncing off of from here and pushing back, up to these next resistance levels here. I can see that happening. Look at the last candle before this current 4-hour candle that has 3 hours left. Definitely want to see how this candle closes, but the one before that had a very long wick underneath it that kind of just rejected and retested the same level, buy level, that it did in the past. So I do believe from here we should see some bullish movement. Of course, nothing is just 100% guaranteed, but as far as what I see with the candlesticks on the 4-hour, that's what I'm leaning towards. But we have 3 hours left on this current 4-hour candle that is bearish. So I definitely would like to see how it actually closes. So on the daily, you can see that we're kind of forming a bullish pattern here before. If we turn around here and start to form some bullish candles, we will form that bullish pattern overall that will make me feel really good about going from here back up here. Let me go ahead and take a look at the hourly. So on the hourly, we rejected here at the buy level that we did before. I definitely see us coming back to quad 034, 35. I definitely see that happening, probably overnight, to be honest. So we'll keep an eye on it for sure. I want to see how this next 4-hour candle closes before I fully judge it, right? But it is looking like a potential for day traders, especially, right? Potentially a nice buy area with a low risk, high reward potential. And that's what it's all about, right? Low risk, high reward. So right now, based on what I'm seeing in the chart, guys, we're on a buy level. I think we're going to be bullish from this area in general, from this whole area, like we were plenty of times in the past. But what we really want to see is it finally break through back to quad 040s. That's really what we want to see again. And then for sure, it will actually be looking like we're reversing and starting to form an uptrend, just like we had this previous downtrend. We can see the momentum slowing down, but we want to see this push up more to the quad 040 so that we can really get that extra confirmation of this reversal, potential reversal happening right now. The last 4-hour candle is giving me hope that we can be bullish right from where we are right now. But as I said, we'll take a look on how this 3-hour, the last 3 hours on this 4-hour candle is, how the candle closes really matters. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much going on with SHIBA besides the news of the burning. We've already talked about this plenty of times before. They were planning on ramping all this up, and they have been. And now we know that, the first quarter of 2022 for SHIBA INU is going to be exciting, right? There's just too many people, invest into this coin. A lot of whales dumping money into this, so it really says a lot. They're actually sticking to their word by doing really well this whole burning process. So I have no complaints here, guys. We are bullish still on SHIBA. SHIBA still looks amazing. All right. I have nothing bad to say. We're just going to pay attention to it though for this next 4-hour candle, see how it closes. And we'll see how it looks on our next update for sure. We should be starting to see some bullish momentum kicking in because the holders are increasing and the burning is happening. So I do believe, this first quarter, New Year's and all that, we should start to see this thing ramp back up. We should start seeing some moonshots happening. We should start seeing some bullish momentum happening. But that's it, guys, for today's SHIBA INU update. Until the next one, stay blessed and stay bullish.